Hello and welcome indoors for a not a proper classic unboxing. As you know, I've been having issues with the running, the rough running of the old Mercedes 220 CE. Sent off the wiring loom and got this package today, as you can see, from Silex Auto Electrical. They're Mercedes wiring loom specialists and racing wiring specialists, so a great place to go to. Great price on this. They refurbished the old one. They'll be especially a great place if you want to take an old Mercedes racing. I will say it's not sponsored. I've paid for this and everything else. Just thought to give them a shout out because they've been great to speak to and work with. But as you can see, I've got the scissors, got a cup of tea, so let's dive in and see just what's in the box. Not easy trying to do this one-handed. Go. It would help if I had my tripod in with me, but I don't. So you have to put up with some wobbly one-handed camera work today. But what do you expect? So I'm getting into that, but here we go. Using a cup of tea as a rest. Get the paperwork out of the way. Done. Let's cut down the middle and see what we've got in here. Genuinely can't wait to get my car back on the road. It's been a long, well, how many few weeks it's been now since it's been off the road. See what we've got. All packaged. We'll find out where that goes in a minute. Look at all this exciting new wiring. Let's get it out. Put it on the island. And see what we've got. So, got the big master plug there. Look at this exciting new wiring. This was the one, I think, that we had that didn't go. Maybe it wasn't. Let me, I'll open it out. I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, so you can see what we've got. So that's the big old master pin plug. This one that we didn't have before, I think. Yeah, it was this one we didn't have before. What was this one? That's the crank. I think it was that one's crank sensor. I have to check on the one. No, I think it's that one. I think that one was the crank sensor that we didn't have before. That wasn't on the original loom that I got. That one's one that also goes in sort of that battery tray area. This is the one that goes over the other side of the engine, like it's the MAF. This one is the one that the throttle body assembly goes into. That's a bit of a pain in the bum to get at. Okay, yeah, that's the other one that goes down by underneath the intake manifolds. Then we've got all the other connectors, bits and pieces here. They're for the coils, I think. They're for the coils. These are some of the ones that go in the front of the engine. That's the earth wire, and that's one that goes kind of in the front right of the engine bay. But he's done a really good job with this. I was even labelled them 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which is nice. I have to make sure I know which one's which. I've got my manual upstairs so I can check on that. But yeah, that's my unboxing. I'll put it back away now, clear up the kitchen island again, and at the weekend I'll take you through in the car as I try to refit it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, get it all working. But no, thanks for watching this unboxing video on Not a Proper Classic. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll hopefully see you in the next one when it's in the car and it's finally working again. Cheers.